Hey there, it's time for another phonics lesson. We're going to start with some rhyming. Ready? Shook, book. They rhyme. Good. Gloom, broom. They rhyme. Good. Spoon, notebook. They do not rhyme. All right, good. Let's do some segment. Let's say stool. What's the first sound in stool? S. Say moon. What's the first sound in moon? Mm. What's the first sound in broom? All right, good. All right. Let's chop up the sounds in. Nope, I want you to blend. Let's see. Ooh, moon. The, ooh, broom. S, ooh, spoon. Fit. Good. All right, now chop up my word booth. The, ooh, cook. And hoof. All right, good. All right, now I want you to say broom. Say broom without the room. Say boost. Say boost without boot. All right, good. Say scoop without soup. Say spool without pool. Say spool without stool. Good. And let's see. Say nook. Now change to rook. Say doodle. Change to poodle. Say hood. Change to good. And say spool. Now change to stool. All right, good job. So we're going to do the special vowel sounds that go with OO and OO. Okay. So sometimes they say the long sound is oo and the short sound is okay. So we used both of those sounds when we were doing our warm up. All right. So like in broom, you hear oo, but in book, you hear all right. So when you say broom, ooh, you make your mouth like this, ooh, make your mouth do that, ooh. But when you say you see it's a little bit straighter, book, okay? So your mouth's shaped a little bit differently when you do both of those, okay? So here we have zoo. Okay, ooh is the most common sound. So we try that one first, like with OW when we were trying owl first. Okay, so we usually try ooh first. And if that doesn't work, then we try So here's zoo and then OO for look. So Luke. You know, if we were looking at a sentence that if that didn't make sense, then we would try look. Okay. All right, we mark it the same as all our other special vowel combinations. That kind of looks like a little smiley face, doesn't it? Okay. All right, here we have room. We have that long sound, room. We went into the other room to talk. All right, here's pool. Hope you get to swim in a pool this summer. Boot. I had to take my boot to the repair shop. All right, then we have book. Nope, book. All right, so it makes that sound. All right, same with this one. When we try foot, that doesn't work out. It's foot. All right, I put my shoe on my foot. And the same with this one. Wood doesn't really sound right. Wood. We cut down the tree for some firewood. All right, here's cook. And again, we have that vowel sound protected, so we do not need to change anything to add the ending. Cooking. Cool, coolest, cooling, cooled. We do not need to change anything to add those endings. Same with smooth, smoother, smoothed. Typhoon. All right, this one has 2 syllables. We have a vowel there. We have our digraph that says f, and then we have our oo vowel combination. A typhoon is a hurricane in the different part of the world. Okay, to split our syllable there. Okay, the ph digraph, the f is going to act as one, so it's going to go with the second syllable. So that y is going to be a long I, typhoon. Okay, all right, same with this one. Ooh, look, we have vowel here. We have the ooh there. We have two consonants we can split, so that A is short. Bamboo. All right, the panda was eating some bamboo. All right, let's practice with some spelling. Are you ready? All right, your first word is boost. Boost. Your turn. We wanted to give our grades a boost, so we studied really hard for our test. Boost. B, oo, b, oo. 4 sounds. Spell boost. B-O-O-S-T. All right, this one's easier because they're both spelled the same way. They just pronounce easy. They pronounce differently. All right, good job. Your next word is scoop. 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 Your turn. We had 1 scoop of ice cream after dinner. Scoop. Oop. Oop. 4 sounds. You got to decide which one to use for k. All right, S-C-O-O-P. Why do we use the C? Because it's followed by an O. Good. All right, our next word is book. Book. Your turn. I hope you have a good book to read. Book. Let's count the sounds. B, k, b, k. 3 sounds in book. B-O-O-K. Book. All right, good. And let's do one more. Shook. Shook. Turn. The room shook when the thunder was so loud. Shook. 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 All right. Sh is S-H. Is O-O. And K is K. All right. Good job. Okay. So let's see here. All right. Find the word that rhymes with roost. What word is it? Boost. Good. Erase it. All right. Find the word that starts the same as shelter. The word is shook. All right, good. And find the word that rhymes with cook. We have book. Good. And I do not remember the other word that I gave you, so I hope you remember it. Read it to me. All right, great job. Don't know why I didn't write it down. Okay, let's read our dictation card. Remember, O-O most of the time is going to say oo. Okay, so we're going to try that out first, and then if it doesn't sound right, we'll try the sound. Oo is in zoo, is in look. All right, so boot, school, cooking, cooking, wooden, wooden, zoom, shook, shook, schooled, baboon, Luke, nope, look, proof, smoother, mushroom. This one is book. What about this one? Good. And this one is looking, cartoon, moo. What's this one? Hood, coolest. And this one is booklet. All right, great job. Echo my sentence. The wooden coop is a good room for chickens. Where do the chickens stay? The water in the brook looks cool and smooth. What does the water look like? His loose tooth Let me try that again. His loose tooth fell out while he was at school. Where was he when his tooth fell out? Is there a baboon at the zoo that can reboot a computer? I don't know about that. Okay, so remember that oo and can be spelled with oo. Study hard. Good luck.